whole staff got together. We got you a little surprise. Just a little surprise. It's just a small surprise. Look at it. Not fancy. All right. You've been here a long time. You work your butt off. We love you. We want you to be here as long as you can be here. But we got you a little.
What's up, dog?
Everybody pitched in. Everybody that's out here. Because we want to take care of you like we family.
It's on here if you want to take the questions in.
Get on the driver's side, dog. Yeah. You the driver. Not getting in it? Yes.